Oh, hi there! Are you looking to make money with your own recipes? Well, you're in luck. You can monetize your food content and turn your recipes into revenue with SideChef's recipe-based affiliate program. Make all of your recipes shoppable. And how does it work? Well, it's simple. Just input your recipe ingredients, and SideChef's technology will auto-match to the product available at our retail partners. Now, your followers won't have to manually select each product they want. All they need is just one click, and everything will be added to their cart. Just like magic. And no, there is no exclusivity or content stealing when you partner with us. You keep ownership of all of your recipes. We just help make it easier for everybody to shop them. Just add the tracking link to any of your recipe pages, articles, or social media posts, and let your readers easily purchase your delicious recipes. Not only does this make it easier for your audience, we also make it easier for you to better optimize your content. You will be able to track who is clicking and purchasing and gain powerful insights that will change the way you engage with your audience forever. With the easy-to-use affiliate dashboard, you can track metrics like click-through rate and commission all in one place. Come on, what are you waiting for? Apply as a partner and join our affiliate program today.